Hi, I'm Kevin, and I'm a sales rep with Nordik Windows and Doors. First, I'm actually going to come into your home. We're going to sit down and talk about the project that you want to do. I'm going to take all the measurements that we need, so we're going to go to each window, each door, every patio door that you have. We're going to measure it width and length. We're going to sit down and talk about exactly what you want for the solution for your reno project. So I was born in Burlington, Ontario. Fantastic place, the community is amazing, family-oriented spot. Burlington has just been a landmark since I was born. I absolutely love it. On the weekend, I love adventures, I love hiking, I love all the outdoor sports. I especially love the Toronto Raptors. The energy in the Toronto area when the Raptors were playing was absolutely phenomenal. Everyone was going crazy. It was such an eccentric time. I actually have a little memorabilia from that game. So this is an actual 2019 championship ring that was given to all the Raptors that won that game. I've always wanted to own different properties and be a property manager. Working with Nordik, I actually get to have that experience all linked together. We have an amazing team. They're supportive, they're helpful. I can ask them any single question. They're always there for me. We have one of the best products in the market, high energy efficient, very beautiful design. The company is amazing. I'm extremely happy working for them, and I know you'll love the product too.